Afternoon, guys. Mail time. So, thank you for your amazing responses to yesterday's video update, video stroke partial new craft room tour, because it's partial because it's not finished yet. But yeah, thank you for the amazing response, guys, as to the explanation as to why I am not as active as I usually am, and the reasons as to why. Nothing bad if you watch the video, it's just basically life is getting in the way and grandbabies, you know. Good reason. So, yeah. But anyway, I am here with a mail time, and excuse me because I think I'm going to sneeze. Nope, it's gone. Oh, allergies. Not a good time. Not a good time. Anyway, mail time. I am here with a mail time that is way, way, way overdue. And when I say way overdue, I mean way overdue. Like, then on the other side, which I'm not going to show, but on the other side of the envelope is the sticker, postage sticker thing that you get from the post office when you go, and they print it out and stick it on. And it's dated the 9th of October 2018. Oopsies. Anyway, so I apologise in advance, but I'm here to show you these awesomeness, which has come from Annie over at Meadow. And I've done videos for Annie before, because I've had plenty of different things off Annie before, so please, the links are below anyway, but go and check her out, guys. Obviously, when I got it, oh, here we go, sorry guys, you're just going to have to bear with me, because this phone doesn't like auto-focusing. If you were watching the video yesterday, you'd know that. Nope. Yep, there we go. It does do it. After all my ranting and raving and whinging and whining, it actually does autofocus. Eventually, you've just got to be really patient, which I'm not. But yeah, and obviously when I got it, I opened it and scratched it, and I got free postage with my next order, so hooray! If there's no expiry date on that, I'll use it, because I actually want to order something else soon. But yeah, so look at this, guys. Look at these. Come on, focus. How awesome are them cup coasters? Look at that. Wicked. So, let's see. There we go. It's focused. Look at that. Look at all the detailing in that, guys. The font and everything. How awesome is that? And I remember asking Annie about doing these. She'd never done logos before on cup gum on it. Don't know about anything, but she'd not done them on the cup coasters anyway. And I'm like, please. All my crafty friends that I go to for stuff on a regular basis know I can be a real pain in the bum sometimes, where I'm like, oh, go on, you know you really want to. And if it don't work, it don't work. But if it does, how cool would that be? And that's pretty much what I did with these. I'm like, Annie, go on, you know you really want to. So she's like, yeah, actually, yes, she did do logos before, because I've got two big round discs. And, oh, where are they? Just reminded me, two little small discs that are usually lurking around on the desk. Anyway, she hadn't done them on coasters before anyway, but then I'm like, oh please, because they'll look awesome, product placement and everything when I'm filming, and you know, because you can't always see the logo on my cup, but like I said, when I lift my cup up, at least you can see these. So yeah, but aren't they awesome? Look at all the detailing and everything in them. I love them. I absolutely love them. I really, really do. Like, really, really. So, I just came to show you these, basically. But yeah, these are, I can't for the life of me, I'm sorry, I can't for the life of me remember what wood we did them in, or what wood she said about doing them in. But these are a lot thinner than the other ones that I got. I got some last year. Well, I say some, I got two last year. I got this one and this one for mine and third man's wedding anniversary. How awesome's that? Obviously I call him third man, he calls me wifey, V because my name's Victoria. And that's quite appropriate actually, because although I call it like T-foot third man and I call him that, his name's Tony. For those of you who don't actually know. He's actually called Anthony, but there's only his side of the family ever calls him that. We call him Tony. So, but yeah. And I love them. I think they're awesome. These are quite thick, which is cool. And then Taylor's like, well, I want one. So for his birthday last year, I got Taylor one too. Focus. That's it. Oh, it's working. It's cooperating a little bit now. But yeah, so Taylor got one for his birthday last year, and he's absolutely over the moon with it. But yeah, and then afterwards, like I said, I'm like, Annie, please, please. He'd look awesome on my desk when I'm filming. And then she did these. And like I said, I cannot remember what wood we went for, but it's not the same as the other one. As you can see, there is quite a difference, especially in thickness. But you know what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. For one, they were a prototype anyway, because she hadn't done logos on coasters before. And two, I'm going to put a cup on it. You know. So anyway, I'll put them over there and you can't see. But yeah, so anyway, they're just awesome and I love them. I absolutely love them. So I'm sorry, so sorry Annie, it's taken so long to get round to videoing them. I do remember when I ordered them saying it's probably going to be a while before I do get round to videoing them, because I was going to wait until we got the new craft room sorted, and then of course it took a lot longer than we expected. We did start it early, I think it would have been around August, September last year we started. Or we first had the idea of swapping rooms with Taylor upstairs. And we did get cracking and we got quite a fair bit done before Christmas, and then everything just come to a halt. And of course, as you can see in yesterday's video, we have made a lot of progress, don't get me wrong, but there's still a lot more to do. But we're not anywhere near now where we thought we might be by now. But we're plodding along, so I'm sorry Annie it's taken so long, but there you go, I'm here finally. So just awesome guys. Annie's links are below. I'm not sure whether this is going to play ball and focus. It takes a while. Some things it will focus on almost immediately, other things it won't. And of course, it's just my luck today. Ooh, it's trying. Let's see if it'll do it now. I think it's just about like readable, maybe not, I don't know. But anyway, it's just a Facebook page, and it's just like facebook.com//made in the meadow. But all Annie's links will be below anyway, and just look for the logo. You know, all else fails, just look for the logo. Just type in Made in the Meadow and look for that logo. But like I said, all the links will be below anyway. Click the link, it takes you straight there. So yeah. But so, anyway, like I said, I'm sorry Annie, I'm sorry everybody. I'm bumbling because I haven't videoed for quite some time and it's hard. It's quite hard to get back into it when you haven't done it for a while. And I'm rambling and I'm nervous and anyway, so I am gonna love you and leave you guys. And yeah, thank you so much Annie, I absolutely love them. Go and check her out guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you again soon. Goodbye.